Ayan na, start stream.
I-check ko din.
We're live. I'm live sa Facebook. Ay, sa YouTube.
Ah, may naririnig kaya? Wait.
Nasa phone. Check ko lang.
Meron naman. Ay, okay. Sige.
Hello. Ayun, live na siya. Rinig naman, no, guys? Parang pag sa cellphone, hindi pala makatap. Hindi pala makachat, ano? Nakakanood lang sila pag sa phone. So, pag PC lang sila makakachat.
Ay, coach. Ang saya-saya naman nito. Imaginein mo pala, coach, na,
Yeah.
na nakikita pala nila literally everything that I'm doing on my screen kasi ang gulo natin.
Oo, yan na. Nagla-live na ako. Naka-project na ang aking Zoom.
Zoom lang. Let me see.
Tapos sa isa kong PC, yun yung isi-share screen ko pag ako na yung magmamanara. Gets.
Kasi nga pala dito pala sa, okay, na-gets ko na, coach. Kasi dito pala sa OBS, ang shinare ko is yung buong screen. So, hindi lang yung Zoom yung nakashare. Yung buong screen
Buong
ko yung
screen.
nakashare. So, when I was like, toggling between, okay, naririnig ba tayo? Na-check na ba natin sa YouTube? Ganyan. So, pwede ko palang ilagay yung YouTube channel na to dito sa kabilang
Ako,
para medyo mas maayos.
ako sa phone ko nilagay kasi para na-check ko kung may audio.
Ah, pa-check na lang din, coach, later. Okay. 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 So, okay naman pala.
Gumagana.
Ayan. I mean, ngayon nakikita ko na anytime na nagtatagal ako, ayun nga. So definitely no one will be joining in our Zoom, but definitely people will be joining via YouTube live stream. So we're gonna be waiting.
Ina-open ko lang ang aking Manara para ready later. Ready ka na, coach?
Nothing too much to share, but I'm just really, really excited that it's been a while. I mean, we were like absent for a few sessions, right? Because we were like busy on things. But yeah, today is Tuesday, so there will be another day for us. Happy
Kamusta
podcast.
yung travel? 10 days travel while trading?
It was very packed, like super busy, but it was fun kasi nakikita mo talagang nag-enjoy yung mga kids. So yeah, that part yung masaya. That
Ayan.
part yung masaya.
So, nakita ko nga
Pero nakakapagod kasi sobrang layo kasi talaga namin drive to Bangkok. It like 2 days yung drive bago
but,
pa kami makarating ng Bangkok.
but hindi ikaw yung nag-drive. Ayan, magsa-start na ba tayo or let's give them, one more minute.
Yeah, yeah,
Ready?
okay. Yeah. Let's go. Let's go. I think we
Ito.
can start our podcast today.
So, me start. So, yeah, welcome everyone sa ating new episode ng Digital Mompreneur po. I am your host for today and with Coach Joana. So, I'm Jenice po. And today, pag-uusapan natin yung fundamental analysis. And mamaya mag-ano tayo, live trading sessions. So, kumusta ka naman nga ulit, Coach Joana?
Hello, yes, hello everyone. Good morning, good day, and welcome. Welcome to the new fruitful conversation that we will be having for today. We were like absent for like last week as I was in a 10-day travel. So we just had a very long road trip with the kids and we just explore, like literally explore the road, stop here and there, and then just go all kid activities for the whole 10 days. So I just come back and that's why we're back. That's why we're back. Yes. I hope that everyone was having a good week as well. I mean, I was trading on the side, still trading on binary and Forex, and right now I'm still having open trades. So I hope that you guys also have a winning trades last week. How about you, Coach? You have your winning trades last week, I guess.
Yeah. I've been trading gold. So, yan, natutuwa ako sa gold dahil ang sarap pala ng galawan do'n. Ano, ngayon ko lang na-appreciate yan eh.
That's why you were like wondering why I do gold, right? I've been doing gold and I'm only focusing on gold, and you see how amazing it is if you can take advantage of it, right? That's why
Yeah.
I like gold too.
So, ayan.
Okay,
Anong pag-uusapan natin today? Ano
we're gonna
i-discuss
be
natin today?
doing fundamental analysis. Yes. So if you guys are like watching our previous podcast as well, we were doing a lot of things and we already did technical analysis, indicators, reading graphs, market, all of these. But we haven't touched this topic yet, which is fundamental analysis. And definitely this is one key factor if you are into trading. And for the newbies that tuning in, definitely this is one thing that you should also understand that definitely will help you on placing your trades ahead of time or even have a good trading plan, which
Mhm.
is definitely the key factor for you to win your trades. So yeah, let's start, I guess. Let me,
Share your screen.
yeah, I think, okay, so let me just minimize all of these and I will be sharing my screen. So actually, coach, this is a very short presentation only of this. So what is fundamental analysis first? So yung fundamental analysis is actually a method to evaluate assets by examining economic, social, and political factor. So as a trader, actually, we're looking in fundamental analysis so that we will know the economic health of a country or for the currency that we're trading. So why it is important? It's here, as I mentioned here, it's important because
Are you sharing your
it
screen?
gives you coach.
Are you sharing
Yes.
your screen po? Wala, di siya
Uh,
key.
di siya kita sa'yo. Okay, wait
Mm-mm.
lang. Let's try to share the screen. Let me share the screen also. Ah, okay. Coach, let me know
Yeah.
if you can see
Yep,
the
yep.
screen. You can see the screen already.
Mhm.
Also here. Yeah. Okay. So, yeah. So, in short, yung fundamental analysis is more on statistic of economic strength ng isang bansa that can affect their currency. And if you're trading currency in Forex, then absolutely this is important as it will affect yung movement of the market when we're doing a trade. So, we can also use this analysis to forecast future price movements based on either economic report, political event, and other factors. And speaking of political event, this is very important because the election, US election is coming, coach. So I think everyone is very excited to
Na
see
sila.
how it will look, right? For gold. For anyone who's trading gold like me and coach now, then definitely that is one factor that we have to check and consider is the coming election, US election.
Mhm.
So, eto lang naman, this is just a short before I go exactly to the where we have to go to see this forex to see this fundamental analysis or the economic calendar in short. So ito yung this is the four key components of fundamental analysis. One is economic indicator. This is what we're going to be doing today. This is just like will show you an economic performance statistics, which is very important to determine the strength of economy, country's economy. Ito, under here, you will see GDP, inflation, wow, unemployment claims. Aside from economic indicator, we have monetary policy. So this is where the news related to Fed, right? Central banks, European central banks. So yeah, that's another key component. Another is political event, as I mentioned earlier, because political event affects political stability or instability, elections. All of these can definitely affect economic outlook of a certain country, including their currency and market sentiment. Just imagine, coach, in trading, you have your technical analysis, your fundamental analysis now. Then maybe later we can also discuss about sentimental, right? Market sentiment, sentimental analysis. So market sentiment. This is the overall mood of investors that can influence price movement. So pag positive sentiment towards a currency, then that can increase the demand and vice versa. So, are you excited? Let's go. Let's
Let's
go,
start.
right?
Yes.
What is economic calendar? Economic calendar, ito yung calendar where we're gonna be seeing all these economic events. So what I'm using is actually Forex Factory. So it's yeah, just basically go to forexfactory.com. This is our economic calendar. Uh, there's a lot of things that you can see in Forex Factory, but we will not be discussing in details what which click, what buttons, what are those, what are the meaning of those, but we will be just focusing on the introduction of fundamental analysis that can give you the idea to position yourself ahead of time. So this is the calendar, and in this calendar, you can click the calendar, and by default, it would give you the list of events per day. As you see, you have your date here, the time. So when you load this screen on your end, it would automatically convert to your time zone. So you don't need to think 6 a.m. here is what? 6 a.m. of which time zone, right? So yeah, you have the date, the time zone, the currency. So these are the currency, the impact. In here, we will just be focusing on three folders. Actually, more focused on the red folders because red folders are the high impact news. So you see, you have the red folders, the yellow folders, and the orange folders. So it's like high, medium, and low impact. So of course, from the word itself, high, if it's high impact, then it's more volatile. It gives more uh, reaction to price than the yellow folder. And here, these are the topics of what that folder is all about. The topics, as I mentioned earlier, would depend on either economic, whether monetary policy. So, unfortunately, you will not see the word election here, right? That is not included in the Forex Factory, but yeah, that's also another factor that you have to consider because you will not see it here, but it's happening. And when it happens, definitely you would see a visible price action impact for that. And here, this is the important part. You have the actual, I'm just not sure whether people can see it. Maybe let me just make it bigger. So we have the actual, the forecast, and the previous. So as a beginner, of course, this might look intimidating, right? Because there's a lot of
Mhm.
folder and absolutely you don't understand what it's all about. But here, in a short glimpse of this, you already have the idea of what does it mean. So let's do it one by one. We have the previous. The previous is the previous statistics about that specific. Let's just specific one maybe. Let go. I actually want okay, this one. Let's do this. USD because I'm doing USD gold pair, so let's focus on that. But definitely it's up to you. You can look for your specific currency pair here. If you don't see your currency pair here, then that means it doesn't have a news. That pair don't have a news. So let's move it here. So let's example 7:30 my time when on the 24th of October, we will be having an unemployment claims news. And it's a red folder. Red folder means high impact news. And what does it mean now? If it's a high impact, then so what, right? So here you would see the previous is 241K. That's the value. And the forecast is 243. So basically, you just need to know whether is the forecast greater than the previous or lesser than the previous because whatever the forecast would be, it would impact what will happen? What will be the movement of USD on that time, which is 7:30 p.m. So here, as we see, we have 243K forecast over 241. So it's higher. So the forecast is higher than the previous one. And if it's higher, then that means they are expecting they're expecting USD to be high. So if your currency pair is gold,
A
example,
question,
let's
question lang.
mhm.
Baka question lang for newbies. For example, ang lumabas is 242K, lower than the forecast. Ano ang mangyayari doon? So for example,
Okay. So
this is
that is
200,
actual.
yeah, sa
That is
actual,
actual already, right?
yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Before I go to actual, because actual means it's already 7:30. Now I just want them to understand what is their position ahead of time, right? That's the meaning of this Forex Factory, for you to understand and for you to see what could be the potential movement of the market. Because definitely your actual value, it's all empty because it's not happening yet. And when it happened, then you would see the value here. And whatever value here, let's say, for example, as Watch Code said, 242, right? Is 242 still greater than 241? The answer is yes. But the impact of that is the movement, how big the movement will be. If you are noticing, if you are trading and when there's news, or if you're a news trader, this is not a beginner, just a disclaimer for all beginners out there, for anyone that's still new. And maybe the capital is also not that big. Please be careful when you're doing news trading. We don't do news trading on the exact time. You can either do your forecast ahead, and that's the reason why you have to use this. And you can wait for the exact time and wait for a little bit for the market to settle before you place your trade. Then that way you know, or that not only know, but it lower your risk for a losing trade, and it increase your chances of having a winning trade. So yeah, let's go back. So previous is 241, forecast is 243, meaning it's greater than the previous one. So it's expected here that if it's greater, then that means USD on this time will be strong, right? So if it's strong, then the pair of the USD. So normally if you are trading, if you're trading gold, then it will be XAU USD, right? So if USD is going up, then of course gold will go down. It's inversely proportional. If one is up, then another one is down. If USD here is down, then of course gold will go up. So basically, that's the basic logic of this. And if you
Mhm.
want to know more details of that, you just need to click the folder and it will give you a lot of details more. If you're into in-depth fundamental analysis, then yeah, just click the folder, click this source, and it would give you more information about that particular news. But if you just want to see an overview, an overhead of what could happen when this 7:30 p.m. on October 24 will come, then yeah, basically that's it. It's forecast. So now Coach Jenny's question is, what about if the actual is 242, right?
Mhm.
So meaning what will happen to that? It's just the value here will just give you an idea how big of a movement it would be. If the gap of forecast or actual is bigger than the previous one, then you would see in your graph later on how that movement is also huge. But if the gap is not that much, then yeah, you will not see that the price movement
Yeah.
is also not that huge. But not only that, but also you need to consider what is huge and not and not I mean what is huge and small movement in terms of your currency. For example, if you're dealing with gold, 100 pips is just a normal movement. But
Mhm.
absolutely, this 100 pips is not the same when you're trading another currency, let's say USD, EUR USD, right? Your currency, GBP. So you have to also consider the movement of your currency pair. But since we're discussing gold, then easily 100 pips is just a normal movement of gold for
Mhm.
me. Yeah. Coach, do you have any questions?
Ano ba ba? So, para lang i-clear natin, if yung news is positive for USD sa US, meaning yung mga pair na ang umpisa is kagaya ng XAU USD, baliktad ang mangyayari. Like Euro USD, XAU USD, ang mangyayari doon ay babagsak.
USD.
Yeah, Euro
Example,
USD,
Euro
GBP
USD
USD.
pair,
Yeah.
GBP USD pair. So in short,
Ang
if if the news, like, okay, let's go back to the news. It says here USD. So USD means any pair that is any currency that pair with USD, which is like these three. Example only, like say gold, euro, and then GBP, right? If they have USD at the end, right? So meaning when the USD part is up, then you would expect that these currency will have some movement. For example, if USD is up, then you would see gold should go down. Euro will go down. GBP will go down because USD currency is strong.
Mhm.
And that's why the upcoming election, again, I'm plugging, right? I'm plugging the election, US election. US election is definitely will impact USD. And concurrently, you would notice that all the pairs, all currency that's paired with USD would definitely be impacted. That.
Yep.
Just
So,
imagine how volatile it would be, coach. Just
second
imagine.
question, what if kapag ang base currency is USD? Ayan, para sa mga newbies. What if ang currency is
Okay.
USD CAD, USD JPY? Ayan, para ma-idea sila.
Okay. Okay. So it actually it's still the same thing, coach.
Yep.
It's just the same thing. It's let's say if USD is high, then USD is high here. Then of course, what you're gonna do with CAD, coach? Maybe let me ask you, coach, what you will think then if USD is high, right? USD is
Mhm.
strong. Then meaning USD is up. Then how about CAD? What would happen then, coach?
So, sa mga pairs na kapag ang USD is nasa quote, nasa last. So, yung kagaya ng XAU USD, Euro USD, GBP USD, ang mangyayari dyan, kapag positive ang news sa USD, ang mangyayari ay babagsak yung mga pairs na may quote, yan, yung mga XAU, Euro, GBP, babagsak yan kapag positive si USD. Yung mga pairs na USD CAD, USD JPY, basta yung USD ay yun yung base currency, di ba? Sa currency pair kasi ano yan eh, base slash quote. Base yung tawag dun sa first currency, quote yung tawag sa second currency. So yung kapag ang base mo is USD, if ang news is positive for USD, meaning tataas siya. So, baliktad. USD CAD, USD JPY, tataas. Si XAU USD, Euro USD, babagsak. Nag-gets ba, guys? So, basta ganun
So
lang
in
yun.
short,
Yeah.
etong CAD, coach, is tataas, correct?
Hindi si CAD ang tataas, USD CAD.
Yeah, USD. So
USD
CAD will
go up.
CAD.
USD CAD will go up. USD CAD will go up. You will look for buy signals, buy opportunities. Kasi we are assuming that USD CAD will go up because yung news is pabor sa USD. Gets? So, ganun siya. Kapag naman ang news is hindi pabor kay USD, pangit yung resulta. For example, ang forecast is 243, di ba? Yung previous 241. Yung resulta, hindi maganda yung kinalabasan, negative for USD. So, ang mangyayari, we are expecting that gold will, tawag ito, will go up. Kasi, babagsak sa USD, so tataas si XAU. Yung mga USD CAD naman, ang hahanapin naman natin doon, sell opportunity. Kasi, si CAD ay tataas yung value niyan kontra kay USD dahil nga may pangit na news doon sa base kay USD. Gets? Basta negative ang news doon sa base currency, yung nauna, pag negative ang news dun sa base na nauna, expect mo na bababa. Pag naman yung news is negative dun sa quote, yun naman ay tataas. Sana na-visualize nyo. Ah, nagets mo ba?
So parang
Dito
I
confused?
think parang ganito lang. Yung currency here, the currency that you would see here, you just need to know, is it in front or behind of the pair that you're using?
Yeah,
If
yeah.
it's so let's say for example, this is USD, right? USD is the pair here. So now you need to know the pair that you're using, is the word USD before or behind. So, like for me, I'm trading gold. So, gold is XAU USD. So, USD is behind, right? But let's say you are trading USD CAD currency, USD CAD, and USD is in front, right? So, that's the only difference that Coach Jenice is saying. So, what would happen now if USD is behind and the USD news is positive, meaning it's expecting that USD will go up, and your USD is behind, then meaning the currency in front will go down. It's opposite effect, right? If USD go up, gold will go down. If USD go down, then gold will go up. As to how much it will go up or how much it will go down, depending on how big the gap is here. Versus, I mean, ahead of time, you would see how big the gap between previous and forecast. But when it happened, then you would see what is the actual value will also determine how big the movement would be. So remember, if USD is behind, then it's opposite. But if USD is in front, then follow the same.
Mm-mm.
Follow the same follow the same flow. So meaning if USD is up, then this pair will go up. You
Yeah.
need to look for buy position. If USD news is negative, meaning USD is going down, and you're using this pair, USD CAD, then you need to look for a sell position. I
Yep.
hope it's clear.
Di bale, we have a quiz later. So later we will show you some scenarios and you should guess if the price will go up or down based on the news na ipapakita natin later. So okay, you can proceed, coach.
Okay. So this one is just basically what I've explained already, and the impact of the difference between the previews, the forecast, and exactly the actual value will cause either big or small movements in the market. So basically, that is the introduction. I hope that it's very clear. Before we do a small quiz time, coach.
Yeah.
Yeah, maybe we can do quiz time. Or maybe before we do a quiz time, do you have any question?
I think
Anything that we
hindi sila yata makakapag-chat pag nasa mobile sila. Pag nasa PC lang sila makakapag-join sa chat. Anyway, etong quiz na to, just write down yung sagot nyo, kayo na bahala magbilang. I hope masagot nyo yung mga quiz later ng tama. Okay, I have no question, Coach. You can proceed.
Okay, so we have a very quick quiz here. Just 6 questions. Wow, it looks big, right? No, not that lot. It's just this one, this page. I just want you guys to have an idea of how you're gonna use the value or the information that you get from Forex Factory to have a forecast of your trading strategy, right? So let's say earlier I just mentioned, right? It's a USD pair. I have 1, 2, 3 here. Just an example. All red folders and orange folder, as we don't expect much on a yellow folder. So we can only do red most of the time, or at least orange is still to be considered. So in here, I just want, yeah, I just mentioned 1, 2, 3 here because I want to know, what do you expect if you're trading gold for this USD news? What do you expect will happen to gold?
Yeah.
So let's do one by one, coach, since you
Yeah.
are the you
Para,
are
para, For those who are watching, pwede pala pag sa mobile. So, just click open up. Kasi kapag kinlik mo lang from the messenger, uh, ganyan yung lalabas eh. Wala share, ganyan. Walang lumalabas na comment. So, you have to click the open up. Make sure na doon kayo sa YouTube. And pag nasa YouTube ka na, lalabas po yung merong live chat. Pwede na kayo mag-participate if you want to answer this quiz. So, si Coach Joanna nag-prepare nito. Sige, I will answer. Sagutan natin ang tanong ni Coach.
Yes,
Hindi
yes.
ko pa to nakikita.
Yeah, I think we discussed number 1, coach. Just quick one.
Go.
Number 1, USD claim. So of course it's not actual, there's no actual data yet. So we will just base our answer on the previous and the forecast value. So for number 1, unemployment claims, this is a red folder. So previous is 241 and forecast is 243. So what do you expect with gold? Gold is XAU. So gold is in front, USD is behind. What do you expect? Gold
Tina-type
will
ko ba
do.
yung sagot?
No. Just say it here. No need to type.
Ah! Nako,
Just say
may
it.
naman. Ay, nako. Technical analysis ako.
So,
Sige, game, go.
mag-quiz tayo, coach, kasi or may sumasagot ba, coach, sa
Testingin
sa
natin,
streaming?
pa-type 1 nga. Type 1 nga. May 8 na nanonood. 8,000.
Okay, pa-up na lang, okay, number 1, I just want to know, up or down for gold.
Up
So,
or
what,
down? So, yun yung itatype namin, up or down.
up or down.
Okay, gets.
So, ang pair natin is XAU USD, meaning
Okay.
USD is behind the pair.
Mm-mm.
So XAU means gold. If you're a gold trader and at 7:30 there's a news for USD, it's a red folder. It's a red folder and the forecast is 241. Previous is 241K and forecast is 243. So meaning forecast is greater than the previous
Mm-hmm.
statistic. What do you think gold will move? Will gold go up or down for quiz number 1?
Kung tama ang pagkakaintindi ko, dahil ang unemployment claims ay negative yan, so ibig sabihin pag tumaas ang forecast, tumarami yung mga nawalan ng trabaho ba? Yan din yung job claims, di ba? Tama ba ako? Correct me if I'm wrong, ah. Tama? So this
Yes,
is negative para kay USD. So ano ang mangyayari kay XAU kung ang forecast ay mas marami ang nagkaroon ng unemployment claims? So, ang sagot ay, type nyo na lang dyan, up or down. Sir Raymond, type mo up or down. Ano mangyayari kay gold? Up or down?
Hindi, siguro coach ganito na lang. Kasi this one based on data only. The other quiz that we will do, which is the one that you shared with me, it's more into economic situation. Kasi
Mm-mm.
ganun naman talaga ang fundamental analysis. It's more on economic strength, right?
Mhm.
So in here, yeah, basically you look for the numbers. And if the numbers is higher or lower, then yeah, it would impact gold. So let's see.
Up daw. Sabi ni Sir, up.
Gold will go up.
Gold will go up. XAU USD will go up daw.
Mm-hmm.
Negative.
Anyone?
Dahil, bakit po yun up ang sagot nyo, sir? Tinanongin. Ano ang sagot?
Kasi, no, coach, up. Kasi I think you already explained, coach, actually, earlier. Up ang sagot ni sir.
Yeah.
Kasi,
Up. Wala siyang sagot eh. So, bakit sir up?
coach, ikaw, coach,
Ano
anong,
lang? Okay, so bakit up? Tama ba ang sagot? Up, coach?
no, you have to answer also, coach.
Sige, for me, it's up because syempre, negative yung news for for USD. Syempre, dumami yung walang trabaho. So, ano mangyari kay gold? Tataas. Sana tama ako. Tama?
I mean, the logic itself is there, coach, actually. So, pag like what you explained already, if it's negative, But for you to really understand, you have to wait. Let's go there and let's click this yellow folder here and click this. Nakikita na ba o hindi pa?
Mhm.
Nakikita naman, right, coach? So in here, you would see actual less than forecast is good for currency.
Mhm.
Actual less than forecast is good for currency. So tama naman yung ano mo, coach, yung logic actually din ni sir. I think sir already followed your logic, coach. So
Kaya
basically
lang
kapag negative, mhm,
kaya lang 'di ba kailangan nating hintayin muna yung actual, eh. Hindi tayo puwedeng manghula diyan ng wala pang actual kaya ako alam ko, for
true,
me
true, true, true.
kailangan yeah, for me ki-clear ko lang din sa mga nanonood, it's not advisable to trade before news lalo na sa mga newbies kasi very volatile, puwede kayong magka-slippage and
Yes.
sabi nga sa mga ibang article, it's like gambling. If siyempre hindi mo naman alam kung anong lalabas, eh,
Yes.
anong actual result. So we want you to learn here is paano, i-apply yung lalabas sa actual. So ayan, dito 'pag kinlik niyo yung folder, sinabi dito na actual less than forecast is good for currency. So for example, 241 yung, 241K yung forecast pero ang actual ayan 'no, dun sa pinindot nung October 17 ang lumabas 241. Walang ganong,
Movement.
pangyayari, same lang din. So, ano mangyayari, it's
No,
good.
no, no, coach. Nung
Tama ba?
October
Nung
17, nung
October
October
17,
17, ang previous nun ay
260
260.
so it's positive yan,
So,
tama?
yes, correct, correct. Naging
Mhm,
positive siya. So, from 260, ang actual niya lang is 241. Meaning,
mm,
mas mababa, kumbaga, imagine mo, may 260 na taong walang trabaho, just example
mm,
only.
mm.
And then, yung actual na ngayon on this day is 241. So, meaning, tumaas, nagkaroon na sila ng trabaho.
Mm,
Kumonti na to. So, positive to
positive
for
siya
gold. Sorry, positive to
for
for
USD.
USD. USD. And then, dahil si USD ay nasa likod, right? If you go back
Mhm.
here, nasa likod si USD. Kung positive si USD, absolutely gold will go Go where?
Down.
Coach, go
Down.
down.
So
Yes,
XAU
very
USD,
correct.
Euro
Go down.
yeah, XAU USD, GBP USD, Euro USD, ano pa ba mga may USD sa dulo. Lahat 'yon ay ang ine-expect natin ay sila ay babagsak dahil si
Bababa.
USD ay nagkaroon ng
Tumaas.
magandang news, 'yon. So,
Yes,
sa
correct.
example ni coach kanina sa number 1 ang nangyari kasi paano ba namin ano 'yun kasi wala namang actual.
Coach, wala pa talaga. Kumbaga, ito kasi, we're just thinking ano yung magiging position mo ahead of time.
Okay,
Right?
based on the
Kasi
forecast.
we are not may iba-iba kasing type ng trader. For
Mm,
example, for the one that we are sharing to everyone, right? Hintayin nyo yung news. Wait for the news, wait for
mm,
7:30, look for how the market will move before you place your trade. But you already have the bias because
mm,
your bias will depend on previous versus forecast data. So the data here, as you see, the previous one is 241, the forecast is 243, meaning mas mataas yung mga walang trabaho.
mm.
Negative to
Negative 'yan.
kay USD.
USD.
Kung negative siya kay USD, so we gonna be looking for buy position kay gold. Kasi
Yes.
negative kay USD. So kung USD is going down, definitely gold will go up.
Yep,
So tayo, before ng 7:30, we are now looking for buy
bye.
opportunity. Yes.
Yeah,
Tapos,
malinaw ba?
dahil sa hindi dahil sa you have to wait for 7:30, then for the actual value, then doon na mako-confirm yung bias mo. Yun yung purpose nito kasi that's the reason why you would see the economic calendar would give you the idea of what are upcoming. What are the news that's coming within this week? Kasi hindi lang naman yan coach, kumbaga aside from technical analysis, you also need to know 'pag nagbasa ka ng graph, hindi naman siya yung tipong scalping lang na parang
Mm,
today lang or just
mhm.
within an hour. May movement 'yan na
Yeah.
ginagalawan yung price, and that will also be impacted with the news for the week or for
Mhm,
the upcoming election, for example, right? That's why this is very important for you to know. Let's say, for example, within this week, sunod-sunod yung red folder ng
Euro.
euro. For
Ayan
example,
naman, sige,
EURE,
sample si Euro.
sunod-sunod, right? Oo nga pala kasi magaling ka dito, coach. Ito ang yung favorite,
Kakilala ko kasi no si Euro USD eh. Actually guys, sa mga,
Mm.
yan, dito lang din ako sa community namin natuto sa gold. Kaya medyo na-confuse ako noong una. Kasi ako, ay, trading lang ako no, Euro USD, GBP USD, Forex pairs. Kaya sa gold, bago siya sa akin. Pero ngayon, nag-enjoy talaga ako. Try nyo rin, guys. Anyway, yan.
Yes.
For Euro, balik tayo doon sa quiz mo kasi nakita ko parang may Euro din yata yun.
Hindi,
Wala,
dito
puro
sa
USD lang.
USD. Dito sa USD, just an example of a Euro USD. So, let's
As
say for this one also, coach. So, I think that is the logic for you to understand. Just go here, click the folder to get more details about it, and
mm.
the previous versus forecast would tell you what would be your bias, whether your bias will be sell or buy. And then, yeah, you wait for the actual, and then that can confirm your bias or maybe opposite of your bias because sometimes even they said they are forecasting 243 like what happened last time or like this no October 10 their actual is way more than the forecast. That's why
Next.
kung nag-trade ka ng gold on that day at pinlat mo yung mga buy limits mo and sell limit mo, it goes the opposite you're expecting. Kasi as you see, they're only forecasting to 231 actually, but the actual is way, way bigger. Kaya pag binalikan mo yung graph and chinek mo yung October 10, makikita mo yung movement of price for that particular for that particular news.
Mhm.
Yeah.
And isa din sa tip guys, nakita niyo yung kulay, 'di ba? Kung naging kulay pula siya, meaning negative yung naging resulta.
Yes.
So kapag naman green, ayan yung isa sa tip, pag green is positive doon para sa currency na yun, yung lumabas na actual result. So kagaya ng September 19, 219K na lang yung unemployment claims kumpara sa forecast na 230 nung September 19. Kaya naging positive ang naging result for USD that time. Kaya kapag magte-trade ka ng gold, you're expecting that the gold will go down, 'di ba? For a while. Pero alam natin si gold kasi bullish talaga yan overall trend. Pero for that specific news, yun yung mangyayari. Okay,
So,
next please.
so number one is flash manufacturing PMI, which is on the same day, 8:45. Just imagine yung movement nito, Coach. From 7:30 hanggang 9 p.m., may news sa gold. Sumasayaw si gold sa mga panahon na to, October 24, 2 days from now. So, yeah, USD, PMI, flash manufacturing PMI, previews versus forecast, hindi masyadong malaki yung data. The gap of previous versus forecast is not that big, but if you want to know what is that, just click the folder. The folder will tell here if the actual is greater than the forecast, then it's good for the currency.
Noted.
If the currency is, kaya sabi ko kanina, ayan, good siya kay USD. Good means pag ang value ng actual mo is definitely more than 47.5, good siya kay USD. So kung naglalaro ka ng gold, ng euro, EUR, GBP, yung mga currency na ang USD ay nasa dulo, pag good kay USD, meaning good USD is expected to go high, go up, then you look for sell opportunity going down for gold. Kanina going up for gold, right, Coach? 7:30 going up for gold. Ngayon, 8:45 going down. Pero I don't think it will be a very big one. As you see, the value is not that high, right? But as you see here, everything actually is more negative, negative, yeah. Titignan nyo din yung history. Even though they said, okay, it will go up, right? Pero dito naman nakita nyo rin last history, expecting nila ganito mataas, pero ang nangyari mas mababa, negative for USD. So absolutely, that's why if you look to your gold is flying high, right, Coach? Gold
Yeah,
is just
all-time high.
literally going to the moon. So I hope you're
Sabay
holding
akong
your vibe. Dahil mo bang buy, Coach?
yes. So guys, meron din dito sa pag-click niyo yung folder, nakikita niyo yung mga notes para mas maintindihan niyo ano ibig sabihin ng news na yan. Just click yung mga details sa baba. Basahin niyo lang siya. Yeah.
Yes.
So di na namin isa-isahin kasi nandiyan naman na yung mga explanation. So basically, we just want you to um
To
have
know
a
this
glimpse.
and understand how you're going to be using this. And if you want to learn more information about this, then what you can do, right? Like which one you can click. So, yeah.
Yep.
Okay. So, Coach, maybe just the last one, I think. This is just an orange folder. Orange folder means moderate impact, right? Meaning hindi by the folder itself, hindi malaki yung impact niya to price movement, but it can still do some reaction. That's why you can also still consider orange, but definitely we're focusing on the red ones. So in here, 9 p.m., new home sale, previous versus forecast. It says forecast is,
Higher.
wow, higher. Let's just go back there. Let's minimize this. Go to new home sale. Actual greater than the forecast is good for currency. So in short, here pa lang, kahit hindi pa tayo nag-i-intel ng actual, sabi dito, if the actual is greater than the forecast. So meaning, kung yung forecast then is greater than the previous, it's good. So meaning, if this one, 719K is definitely greater than 716, so meaning, ang bias mo na dito ay, what's your bias, Coach?
Wait lang, sorry.
Ang
Inopen ko.
bias,
Wait.
ah,
Inopen ko kasi yung MyFXBook para i-share ko lang ulit. So, nasan nga tayo?
yung sale,
Yung
which is
home
an
sale.
orange color.
So, dahil mas mataas yung forecast doon sa preview, so ang ina-expect natin ay, ano ba yan? Ano ba yung new home sale? Click mo nga.
Ay, naklik ko na, Coach. Ito siya.
Actual
Sabi
greater
lang,
is good for currency. So, dahil mm, 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 good for currency. So, sa gold, babagsak. Tama ba?
yes.
Mm-mm.
Yes, correct. Good for currency meaning, pag sinabi niyang good for currency, pag mataas si currency, then definitely yung pair niya is opposite, right? Kapag yung pair is nasa unahan. So yeah,
Mm-mm.
gold will go down. That is the forecast. Pero doon naman, pag tinignan mo naman yung history niya, makikita mo naman na, ayan, actual is greater than the forecast. As you see. So, positive kay gold noong September 25. Sorry, positive kay USD, kaya bumaba si gold noong September. Noong August din, kaya mababa si gold. I mean, yeah. So, that is how you will use ForexFactory data, the value that you see here, to get your bias and wait for the actual data to to be posted, then you can place your trade accordingly. Or doon naman sa mga ito kasi, Coach, I just want to be transparent also. Even though we're saying that for newbies or for anyone that's new to trading and na wait sa news time, right? Pero may mga type din kasi talaga na gambler, no? We cannot avoid this type of traders also that they are capitalizing on the big movement whenever the news is. Alam mo yun, yung mga nakikita mo sa social media that all of a sudden in just a minute or just like less than a minute, they earn a lot of money, right? So yeah, they're gamblers, but of course they're not like literally like the same gamblers in the casino also that they just pray for luck, right? No, at least a little bit, they go here and they see what is the bias for that particular news. So that's the reason why they can use the previous and the forecast to place their bets as well. But yeah, that's gambling. I'm saying, let's say for example, if you wanna gambling on this, then you're gonna go for buy or you will be going for sale, for sell, right? That's how they are using it. But for traders, we wait for the actual data to arrive. We don't just go with the full swing of the market, like just literally within a minute within seconds actually only if you go to gold. Like for example, if you go to gold and you go was October 10. October. Maybe wait, coach here. Wala kasing news eh. Walang news kay gold this week. If you're gonna
I-share
go
ko lang din.
last week.
Gusto ko ipakilala din sana si MyFXBook. Another
Ah,
information. Ayan, kasi may mga news na wala kay ForexFactory na naka-FX.
share mo yung screen mo, coach. I will stop sharing.
Hindi, are you done na ba?
Yeah, I mean, that is the purpose of actually the quiz, right? And as I mentioned here, it's just basically saying that if the USD is behind and if the USD is high, then the currency in front will go down. And if USD is in front, then the currency behind will follow the flow of USD, like CAD, I say like USD CAD earlier. So yeah, that is all on this short slide, and I hope that yeah everyone is good already to at least use Forex Factory. But yeah, if you want to share FX book also, coach, then yeah,
Thank you,
you
Coach
can.
Joanna, kasi may FX book naman yung aking binibisita. Kaya, yeah, thank you for, showing it to me. And yan, bisitahin ko na din siya. So, ako naman, share ko din si
Let me
my FX
share. Let
book.
me stop sharing.
Yep. And,
Oh, coach,
I
may
have a
tanong
quiz
ba
din.
bago tayo
Oo nga,
mag-move sa sa FX? Just want to.
baka may mga tanong kayo kasi meron din akong trading quiz. May mga
Yeah.
scenario handa. So, ready na ba kayo guys? Paki-type naman po sa mga nasa channel namin. Kung ready na kayo, check nyo lang if medyo nakaintindi ba sila sa fundamental analysis. Pa-type naman po ng inyong comment. Or if you have questions, let us know po. Or if wala, we can proceed para we have more time sa technical analysis later. Bonus technical analysis, hanap tayo ng pwedeng i-trade natin using harmonic patterns. So, medyo mabagal lang din kasi sa YouTube kaya hindi agad nagre-reflect yung chat nila. May nagtanong, pataas po ba ang gold ngayon? Na yung pataas po talaga yan, to the moon.
Yes. Yes to the moon. So please hold your advice, everyone.
Yeah. But ang tanong, kaya ba na account nyo yung mga
Yes.
pullback and retracement? Wala
Yes.
pong hindi mangyaring laging pataas si gold. Kailangan niya
Yes.
huminga. Pagkasap, 'di ba? Ang trading is a marathon. Is a marathon. Kailangan mo minsan
Yes.
magpahinga, uminom ng tubig, 'di ba? Kailangan mo mag-pull back, mag-cool down, mag-retrace bago ka tumakbo ulit. So, yeah, si gold ay laging pataas. Pero, since nandun na siya sa tuktok, kailangan niya munang huminga. Yan. And,
I think yun yung point din ng retracement, right? If you look at the graph right now, actually, of gold, or any other currency in general, wala naman coach yung, alam mo yung parang gano'n,
oo.
straight na pataas or straight na pababa na daig pa na nag-slide up and slide down. There's
Yeah.
no, the market don't move that way. If you notice it, you will see that it just go up and then it go down a little bit. Just an overview of what it looks like right now. For an example, you would see that it just go up and down, go up a little, go down a little, then go up way high. But in an overall trend, yes, gold is going on an uptrend. But as for can I just enter everywhere, right? Like if you're saying that gold is going up, let me just buy now without
Mm-mm.
looking, is it a good timing? Is it a good time for you to buy? Or you wait a little bit for that retracement or up until the gold price is a little bit down, then that way when it go up again, then more profit for you. So yun naman talaga yung purpose ng technical analysis. But in an overall trend, yes, gold is going up. If you look at it right now, if you have your buy from 24.18, right, which is the dip of that the blue area here, yes, that is 24.18, 24.16. If you, sorry, 27.16, 27.18. If you bought gold at that time, just imagine how many pips we are now. I'm
So,
lucky
di
I
ba,
have my buys at that time, so that's why I'm smiling because yes,
hindi
I
na ka
definitely look for that dip. So buy in the dip. Then that way, when it go up again, like what it's doing now,
No,
then you have your profits already.
ano ko, 27-21 ako. Banda dito, 27-21. Dito ako nakabay. Anyway, so yun guys, di ba kita nyo naman, ano siya, uptrend siya talaga. Pero, of course, kailangan magpahinga. Kailangan mag-take profit ng mga kumita na. So, itong nakikita yung pagbagsak niyan, yan yung potential na yung mga nag-take profit, tsaka yung mga market makers, institutions, they sell to buy. And you will learn more about that if you study the smart money concept, the market maker method, or institutional trading. They buy to sell. They sell to buy. Na-encounter mo na ba yun, Coach Joanna, yung term na yan? Kay Donnie?
Yes, of
Yeah.
course. Mga bigatin na kasi yun. Parang talagang yun yung mga whatever they do, they can do the liquidity sweep
Yeah.
actually. So,
Kumbaga, kailangan nila kasing pumosisyon. Hindi sila basta-basta makaka-buy ng 1 million lot here. They need to pabagsakin mo na yung presyo. Magsa-sacrifice muna sila ng um
a
uh
little bit to get more.
yeah. So, masyadong technical, another strategy, and you will learn more about that. We will have another session about institutional trading, maybe some other time. But yeah, ngayon, tayo, focus tayo sa fundamental
Wala.
analysis and may bonus tayong live sessions. And, yeah, stay tuned kayo dyan sa channel kasi mamaya meron tayong trading quiz. 10 question lang to, masaya yan. So, ito, pakilala ko lang si MyFXBook. Ang purpose ito is pwede kang mag-ano ng portfolio. But for news, dito, pindutin niyo yung economic calendar. Okay, and then dito, makikita niyo yan, merong low, medium, and high impact news. So, walang folder dito. Ganyan lang siya. High, medium, low. And dito, pansin ko wala kay ForexFactory yung kay, ECB. Meron ba? Napansin mo ba to? Parang wala siya eh. Hindi ko siya nakita dito. So, meron ako mga napansing news na wala doon kay Forex Factory.
October 22 yan, Coach, right? Let me
Walang
try.
euro dito. Walang euro here.
October 22.
Walang euro dito. Or kailangan, di ba, walang euro eh. Dito kasi kay FXBook, ayan, mas marami kang makikitang news. So, para sa mga nagtitrade ng Euro USD, may din to, may ambag to kapag gusto mo mag-trade ng Euro USD. Kasi kung ano man ang mangyari sa news na to, if the news is positive for Euro, so we are expecting Euro USD to go up. And yung kapag negative naman yung result, yung Euro USD ay babagsak. Since si Euro is the base pair. Okay, so yun lang. Napansin ko kasi walang Euro. Alam mo naman ako, lumaki ako sa Euro USD, nagsimula ako dyan sa Forex.
Yes.
Kaya napansin ko wala. Ba't nawawala yung favorite pair ko? Ayan. Yun lang. And tayo? Quiz na muna tayo. Nasagutan mo na to, Coach Joanna, kagabi. Tapos na si Coach Joanna. Handa yan, nauna na siya. So, ayan guys, if you want to check kung may natutunan ba sila for today, let's start na po. Ayan. So, pili lang po kayo sa mga choices. Ay, wait lang. Yes. Online class. Sabihin mo kay Lenny. May kalbo na si Cholo. Oo. Kalbo na si Cholo. Ayun. Kinalbo na yung daddy niya si Cholo. Ito kinalbo. Ayan. So, i-type niyo lang po sa chat box yung sagot. So, ito na. Are you ready? So, just tell me if the currency will go up or down. Wait. Ay, sorry ito talaga struggle ko eh dito sa bahay. Imagine bigay mo to kay daddy. Please po, meron. Bigay mo kay daddy yung laptop. So, yan. So, will the currency go up or down? So, yeah. There is a series of terrorist attacks in the UK. So, what will happen to GBP USD? Go up or down? Just type your answer dito sa chat box if Gusto niyo po mag-participate? So, again, si GBP yan yung currency na ginagamit kay UK. So, kapag may terrorist attack sa UK, negative yun. Ano mangyayari sa GBP USD? Of course, it will go down. Kasi syempre, merong negative events na nangyari. So, matatakot yung mga financial markets and cause traders to withdraw from the affected country due to the possibility of additional attacks. Wait, ang gulo nila. Sorry. Doon ka muna, baby. Hello ka muna po. Thank you. So, keyword, dahil may terrorist, negative, at si GBP ay nasa umpisa, nasa harap siya. So, dahil negative, it will go down. Next, a new economic data report shows that industrial production in Japan has decreased significantly from last year. Bumagsak, decrease significantly. Will GBP, JPY go up or down? Si JPY nasa, ano siya, quote pair siya, wala siya sa umpisa. Merong negative news na nangyari kay Japan. So, ano mangyayari sa GBP USD? Go up or down? Type nyo lang yung sagot nyo dyan. Pabilisan ko lang to. So, ano ang sagot? Up or down? So, ang sagot ay, it will go up. Siyempre, increasing industrial production implies a growing economy. Decreasing, ibig sabihin, slowing yung economy. Slow siya for Japan. Negative yung news for Japan. So, dahil si Japan ay bababa, so, of course, si GBP ay tataas. So, kung
Yes.
tataas si GBP, we will look for buy signals only. Okay? Nagets ba? Next, a large government corruption scandal is uncovered in Mexico. What will happen to USD MXN? Merong negative na news kay MXN. Si MXN ay quote pair, hindi siya base. MXN will go down, so USD will go up. Yung USD ay tataas. USD MXN
Ang
ay
lang ako sa first two question ko nabasa ko. Tsaka itong third question, hindi ko na to nabasa onward. So,
Ayan, sumagot
sasagot din
ka.
ako.
Sige ka sumagot ha.
Hindi ko to natapos tingnan kagabi kasi nga nakatulog na ako. So, yeah, yung first two question, I've read it. But yeah, the third one na. So, yeah, that's why
Okay.
sumagot din ako one.
So, meron tong 10 questions eh. Yan, meron ka pang 8 questions. So, yan, political scandals, yung mga negative news can create uncertainty, scare the markets. So, syempre, ayaw ng market na sino-surprise sila, may mga bad news. Kaya ang mangyayari po ay yung mga traders, isa-sell nila ang Mexican peso at they will buy US dollar. Mas tataya sila kay US dollar, ayaw nila kay Mexican peso. Kaya syempre, tataas po ang USD MXN. Next question. And the unemployment rate in Australia has been falling for several months. Negative kay Australia. New Zealand's economy has been stagnant during this time. What will happen to AUD and ZD? Go up or down, Coach Joanna? And sa mga nasa live, paki-chat ta. Up or down?
Australia has been falling. So negative kay Australia. New Zealand economy has been stagnant. What will happen to AUD? AUD? Down ba, coach?
Tingnan natin. It will go up! Ay, tama ba yung pinindot ko?
Hindi yan yung tamang, wala siyang sagot.
Ay, wala! Hindi ko nasagot. So, wait, kaya basahin
Wait
natin.
lang, meron ba? Basahin mo baka naman nasa next page lang.
Ay, sorry, hindi ko napalitan yung answer. Na-duplicate ko. So, sige, sagutin natin. Unemployment rate in Australia has been falling. So, negative kay Australia. So, what will happen to AUD? Pataas. Yeah, tama, pataas. Up ang sagot dito, guys. Yung next page ko lang hindi ko na-update. But the price will go up. Hindi ko lang na-update yung text. Next
Wait
question.
lang, coach. Sorry, coach. Nalito lang din ako dito. Unemployment rate Has been fall. Okay kasi
Negative for
okay na-gets ko na,
NZD.
oo, nag-gets ko na. Hindi kasi negative siya kay ano, negative siya kay negative yung news kay
NZD.
AUD.
NZD. Oo nga na
Oo, AUD.
eh.
Kasi
Oo nga pala.
conflicting yung dalawa kaya sinalito ko kasi sabi niya,
Unemployment
unemployment rate
rate
in
has been
Australia
falling.
has been falling. So meaning, mababa yung unemployment rate, mababa for several.
Oo
Di
nga
ba?
no.
Nakakalito yung tanong kasi dalawang country kaya hindi
Negative.
ko alam sino ba
Hindi.
yung gusto mong sagutin.
Stagnant. Parang down.
That's
I
why
think
my answer is
down.
down. That's why my answer is down.
Ang nasa
Kasi
isip ko
sabi,
yung AUD parang ano eh. Si AD yung nasa isip ko. Nakatingin ako kay NZD rate. So, negative kay Australia, yun yung ito. So, it will go down. So, ito kasi stagnant lang siya. So, chill lang siya. So, mas malakas siya kaysa
kasi
kay AD. So, it
kasi
will
si
go up.
AUD, feeling ko
It
coach
will go
kasi si
down.
AUD is ano, wait lang, unemployment rate in Australia
Stagnant.
has been falling several months. Oo,
Stagnant,
coach.
stagnant is medyo negative pero mas okay siya kaysa sa falling. Kaya ibig sabihin in terms of uh, sinong mas malakas sa dalawa, mas okay si NZD kasi stagnant lang, hindi nga tumataas, di bumababa. At least, ang tawag
Feeling
doon,
ko coach,
stable.
kaya ano,
Stable
kaya
siya.
up ang sagot mo kasi binase mo yung sagot kay
Kay
NCD.
NZD,
Ako binase
oo.
ko kasi yung sagot kay AUD kasi nasa
Mali,
AUD
mali.
yung
Yeah.
yung first, yung
Australia,
AUD
oo.
kasi kaya nalito ako sino ba sa dalawang pair yung pag ganyan coach, sino ba sa dalawang pair yung titig?
Hindi,
Kasi depende ka kung
Australia.
ano yung pair na inaano mo.
Hindi, tama, tama. AUD is ano kasi, yung word na ginamit, ito kasi si Australia, falling. Mas
Mm-mm.
pababa siya. Si NZD, although yung term use is stagnant, pero in other words, parang ano lang naman siya, stable. Hindi siya pataas, hindi siya bumababa, stagnant lang siya. So in short, mas malakas si NZD or New Zealand dollar kaysa sa Australian dollar. Kaya mali lang yung nasagot ko. Nasa isip ko kanya dito, hindi yan yung Australian. Nakatingin lang ako kay NZD. So yeah, tama.
Mm.
So next is the Prime Minister of Italy announces that the referendum will be held for Italy to leave EU. Leave EU. What will happen to Euro GBP? Up or
Down.
down? Up or down? So down. Kasi the possibility of Italy leaving EU creates uncertainty and instability for Eurozone economy. So, yung mga hahanap kayo ng mga keyword para alam mo kung saan papunta yung presyo kapag po may lumabas na ganyang economic news. Okay? Because the markets hate uncertainty and equate it with increased risk. So, euro should weaken as traders look for less risky currency. Ano sila muna? Ayaw muna nilang mag-Euro USD. Punta muna sila kay gold. Kasi merong hindi magandang balita kay Euro. Mag-gold muna sila. Ganon. Okay, next is, global oil prices are falling but OPEC decides not to cut production. Will the USD and OK go up or down?
Wait.
Global prices are falling but OPEC decides to cut production.
Not to cut. Not to cut.
Not to cut production.
Hindi up.
Norway economy is dependent on oil. So kapag po yung oil ay bababa, so it
Pababa.
can have negative effect on their economy, which is bearish for its currency. So dahil bearish kay Norway, kay NOK, so ang mangyayari, si USD ay tataas. Okay, kung ano yung direction, wala kasi akong, tawag nito, whiteboard eh. So dahil ito ay bababa, ang USD ay tataas. Tataas siya. US President talks to the press and complains about the dollar being too strong. So, will the USD JPY go up or down? Masyadong malakas naman si USD, masyadong bullish. Anong mangyayari?
I think it will go down. Down ako, coach. Kasi being too strong, I don't think that the government will allow the currency to be too strong. Kasi pag too strong, marami siyang economic impact internally. So I feel it will go down.
So, tama ang sagot mo. Siyempre, di ba? Gagawin niya ng paraan. So, a short
Mm.
statement like this is usually all it takes for a dollar to fall since the market will interpret this message as a sign that the US government is willing to take action to weaken the dollar. So, siyempre,
Oh.
kailangan nagkaroon ng balance. Di ba? Kung, maririnig yung mga term yan, kailangan yung i-balance yung imbalance, yung mga gaps na yan. Masyado siyang lumipad. Puro buy na lang ng buy. Kailangan niyang bumaba. Mapagbigyan naman yung mga sellers. So, yun. Next is economic survey of US businesses is to be released tomorrow. And the forecast is that it will reveal strong growth. Strong growth. The report comes out and while it shows growth, it wasn't as strong as expected. Yung actual niya, hindi siya ganun ka-strong. What will happen to Euro USD?
Oh, simple. Go up.
Go up. Yay! 1 point for you. Yan, economic growth
Kasi
usually
sabi nga, not
attracts.
expected. Not expect na it didn't follow as expected. So, na-imagine ko lang dyan, coach, kung ang forecast is positive, tapos hindi naman yun na US, so yung USD, ang forecast is greater. Pero yung actual ay hindi naman talaga greater. So, ibig sabihin, dahil sa USD nasa behind, at hindi naman taas, yung hindi going up yung USD, yeah,
Yeah.
opposite si
Baga, hindi
opposite
niya
si
na-meet yung expectation, yung forecast. Ano siya? Kinulang. Yeah. Hindi,
pero
hindi.
mataas pa din. Just
Mataas
not
pa
that
din. So, ibig
correct.
sabihin, guys, sa example na to, although yung mas mataas siya doon sa previous, kaya lang dahil si forecast, hindi niya napantayan or nahigitan si forecast, hindi naging maganda yung resulta. Mas, hindi siya as strong as expected. Diba? So, ang nangyari, tumaas po. Economic growth usually attracts demands for the country's currency, but in this case, economic growth fell short of market expectation, which usually results in the currency to sell off. For Euro USD, this means the euro would strengthen relative to the US dollar. So 1 point again for Coach Joanna. Next, Bank of Canada, BOC, announces that it plans to cut interest rates sooner than expected. Will USD CAD go up or down? Magka-cut ng interest rates sooner than expected.
Up,
Ting,
up. Ako, coach.
up ka, up,
Kasi
up.
sabi niya, cut interest on
Decision.
negative yun. Negative
Okay.
yun for CAD, right?
Okay, so i-type niyo yung sagot niyo dito. Sir Raymond, si Zen, kamusta naman dyan? Anong sagot mo? Ayan ang sagot ay, ito ay tataas. When a central bank lowers interest rates, this is usually negative for the currency. Negative for the currency. So na yan. Negative for the currency. Si CAD ang currency ng Canada. So kapag negative po dito, si USD po ay tataas. Negative dito. So ito po ay tataas. Kapag tumaas ang nasa base currency, this currency pair will go up. Okay, next question. It is forecasted that the retail sales report in Canada will show an increase. The report comes in and show an even larger than expected increase. What will happen po sa USD CAD rate?
Down ako, coach.
Down. Down. Tama. Down kasi yung actual data po ay nagpakita ng bigger
Positive.
increase. than expected. Diba? Yung sinasabi natin kanina kapag yung actual mas mataas dun sa forecast. So this is good for the country's currency. In this case, since it is Canada, yung US CAD would go down since Canadian dollar should strengthen. Dahil tataas. Ito naman, yung quote yung tataas. Kaya ang mangyayari dito ay bababa. Okay? Sana nagigets nila. And congratulations sa mga mapasado. So, yun. I hope may natutunan sila doon sa ating pop quiz. And, ayun na. Ready na ba sila sa hanap tayo ng pwedeng tradean? In fairness, nanonood sila. Consistent pa din. Thank you guys for watching. Meron ka bang question, Coach Joanna, or are you ready na po sa ating...
Yes, I'm ready, and I hope that everyone, I mean, yung quiz natin gives them more information on how they can, use that data to predict whether they wanna, I mean, the pair that they're trading will go up and down. Yun naman talaga yung purpose of the podcast today. So let's just go and get an idea for trading para
Yes.
naman
And let's get
pera. So, yes.
Okay, so si news pwede natin gamitin sa isa rin sa, kumbaga lagi natin sinasabi sa trading yung confluence. Sa technical analysis, we look for confluence ng mga candlesticks, indicators, yung trend line. Si news, pwede another confluence siya. So for example, nakita mo is it's time to sell based on your trade criteria. Tapos yung news is pabor pa, 'di ba? Tataas yung confidence level mo or yung, kasi alam mo na yung probability na yung trade mo is tama. Kaya ito yung nagsa-separate sa na gambling ang trading. Kasi kay trading, there's a reason behind bakit tayo doon tataya. Unlike kay gambling, it's just luck talaga. Kasi, ano yun, banker or player ko ano yung lumabas, di yun na. Pag natalo ka, edi wala na. Wala siyang reason. So, ako personally, ganito ako maghanap ng trade. Punta ako sa notification and I look for ito, yung mga latest. Ang hinahanap ko is yung mga price ay, teka lang, mag-load. So, first na tinitignan ko, kailangan yung EMA 50 is nasa taas ng 200. So, sabi dito mag-sell. So, dapat ang EMA 50 is below. So, ito yung EMA 50. Ito po, yan. Kapag wala pa po kayo nito, just add lang po dito sa indicator, EMA cross. Ayaw mapindot. At ayaw niya mapindot. Oops. Basta pindutin niyo lang to and lalabas po to si Emma Cross. And then just change the details. Teka lang, kailangan ko yata i-restart. Ayaw niya mapindot. Ano tayo setup? Ayun, pagkapindot niyo po nito, hanapin niyo EMA, ibig sabihin exponential moving average. So EMA cross kasi gusto ko siya dahil ato na yun, 2 pairs na yung lalabas agad. So by default 9 and 12 yung lalabas and i-change mo lang to by clicking the setting or gear. Just put 50 and 200. Yung dito pwede mong palitan yung kulay. But for me, yung EMA 50 is red and 200 is yellow. And yung cross is blue. And yun, the basic rule, gusto ko malaman ano yung trend. And these indicators helps me identify kahit hindi ko siya i-zoom out. Malalaman ko kung ano yung current na trend niya by just identifying if nasaan ba si EMA 50, nasa bababa or nasa taas. So yan, nasa baba ng 200. So it is overall downtrend. So kapag zoom out mo, makikita mo, ayan, no, downtrend nga talaga. Pero ito, medyo choppy kapag zoom out mo talaga. But yung latest na nangyayari, it's downtrend. So first step, you have to identify the trend para alam mo saan ka tataya. sa buy zone, sa buy ba or sa sell. And kung hindi ka naman gagamit ng moving average, you can draw your trend line and makikita nyo, di ba? It's forming lower lows, yan, lower lows and lower highs. Lower lows and lower highs. So, yan, ang bilis ko na-identify na ano, di ba? Na it's a downtrend. Pero guys, ito rin pala isa sa tip din. Kapag po yung kandila is above 200, sabi is ito ay uptrend. Kapag above ng 200. Ngayon medyo lumabas siya dun. Parang gusto niya mag-uptrend. Yung recent na nangyayari kasi ngayon, parang pataas siya. Kaya ito lang, yung recent na nangyari sa M5. But doon tayo kasi titingin sa bigger picture. So, ang nangyayari is it's downtrend. Okay, nasagot na yung unang rule. Isusulat ko lang. Number 1 rule is yung trend. Hanapin mo yung trend. Tapos number 2, i-check mo kung yung indicator. So, yung RSI, check. Okay, pasok dito. Sabi niya sell and it is downtrend. Okay, na-check na yung dalawang